Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Try Techies. I'm Anuj Rana, and today in this video we are going to discuss that how can we add multiple pictures in an Instagram post. All right. So in this video, I'm going to give you a very precise and a step-by-step process. If you follow that, you can also add multiple pictures in your Instagram post. So please do not skip the video, watch it till end so that you may not miss any step and may not get confused. All right. So let's start the video. So first of all, I'll give you a demonstration. I'll open my Instagram over here in my Android phone. It will bring me to my home page. From here, I'll just jump to my profile page. I'll click on this plus button. It will ask me the option if you want to create a reel, post, and other options. Let's select a post because I want to create a post from here. And once I'll select the post, it will open my Android phone gallery. So from here, I can select multiple pictures. As you can see, there's an option over here. It's select multiple. It's written over here. So in this option, maximum we can select 10 pictures. That is 10 pictures or 10 videos. So from here, let me tap this option. All right. So now it has activated all the pictures over here. So let me select the pictures that I want to post on Instagram, and I'll select in a series that I want. I'll select 1, 2, let's select this one, 3, 4. All right. And I'll select another picture over here just for the demonstration. 5. All right. Let's say I have selected 5 pictures over here. Once the pictures are selected in a series, after that, I need to press on this arrow to move forward. It says loading. Now from here, if you want to put up a filter on any picture, you need to select the picture. And from here on the bottom, you can select the filter the way you want. Any filter that you think is better and is more impressive for your post, you can select from here for you. Now I can see over here all the pictures that I have selected. It's showing over here. All the 5 pictures are here. Perfect. And after that, again, I need to press this arrow. It will take me further forward for the next step. Yeah, my new post is ready. If you want to add some kind of caption over here, I can add a caption. I'll say hello. All right. And then it will give you multiple options like any other post. It will ask me if you'd like to tag any other people, you want to add location, you want to share it to the Facebook, the button is already on. If you want to share it on the Twitter, in that case, your Instagram account should be linked with your Twitter account. So these are the different options. So I've written over here, hello, my caption is ready. And now let me press this blue tick button. Yeah. So they're good to go. Yeah, my post is here. Yeah, all 5 pictures are selected over here and it has been posted on Instagram and my job is done. So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.